Hey guys, D&K Knives here. We got a special treat for you today. Today we are unboxing a brand new limited edition run of the Heretic Knives Medusa Auto. Let's check her out. This guy's a real fancy one here. It comes with your certificate. This is a serial number of 25. And it comes with your exclusive padded case here. This is really, really neat. It's got your removable patch on the front. Here we go. Yeah, this guy is amazing. This is the Medusa Auto. It is a DLC titanium handle with a hand ground DLC LMAX blade. About 3.25 inches. Nice compound grind on that blade. He's got a nice rattlesnake skin inlay on that handle. Also, there is a bronze hardware to match. And then we have a gold matter inlay button. Really snappy, reliable action. It's got your nice pocket clip with the roller ball, and there's a place for your lanyard. Yeah, this knife has a wicked edge to it. It's just an excellent all-around knife. The automatic is nice too because you don't have to fiddle with it. You just hit that button and it fires hard. So yeah, we have this as well as other varieties. We do have a couple of regular Medusas that aren't quite as fancy. These ones automatic as well. And then we do have folders, manual folders too. So yeah, if you guys are in the market for some really neat custom knives, I've also got another one here. This is another Medusa Auto. This guy right here has a nice DLC titanium handle and blade as well, LMAX steel. And it has a nice kind of like blue titanium hardware and back spacer and pocket clip. And then this guy here has a ray skin inlay, so that's a really fancy, you can look at it here, you can actually tell it's actual stingray skin, which is really neat as well. Yeah, both of these guys are just beautiful. I personally like the rattlesnake one. When you live in Arizona, this is like your perfect desert knife. So yeah, we have a whole bunch of really awesome varieties, so if you're looking for a collectible knife, or if you're just looking for a good daily driver, we have plenty available on our website, dnknives.com. While you're there, hit us up for our email alerts and text messages. We'll let you know if we have any specials, any new products coming in, all that good stuff. Thank you guys. Have a great one.